Alright.
Turning on the mic.
Yes. Hello.
And here we are.
How are you guys doing? Alright, so let's begin with the updates. We don't have many people here at this moment because we should probably have started the stream a bit earlier so people can see the notification. So, hey Medvedek, Zeriel, Yotza. Zeruel. I always feel like I'm not pronouncing it right. Zeruel. Okay. So I don't know. How are you guys doing? I guess we can just start with the update. And do you wanna?
You can try it.
I can try it. Okay. So there they are. I was actually talking about this yesterday when I was showing the previous version of the game, and yeah, so this is now working. So we can actually have these items on the... Actually, it's not all working, it still needs to be... Well, you should tell it.
Yeah, it basically it works, and it saves. So if I press R on keyboard, this means the scene would restart. So basically, yeah, these are saved. And there were a lot of trouble making this because those glyphs are not meant to be like part of the units. So I had to change like a ton of things. And I have. Did you copy my tutu?
I did not, but I'm gonna do it now. Right. To-do list.
To-do list.
Hey Vlados.
Yeah,
There it is. Okay.
Replace, yeah.
I don't know if it's the...
I just open it from
yeah.
here.
There you go.
So yeah, there is still a lot of things to be done, but for now it works. It's a good thing, and I made it. So we're gonna have this in the demo, and the thing is, so you can see you can switch them, and you can switch them with this or like that, or and everything, and when I restart it saves. So what? Oh,
just
no,
to say why it's even all this stuff seem fairly simple, but the thing is that everything needs to be saved in one string, one line of text, and then that goes up to Steam servers, and this is how you save everything. So that's why it's really tricky, because you need to know that this specific unit that is on this specific slot has these specific things on himself or herself. So, and plus it was not designed for that, like the code structure, so that's why it was crazy.
Can show you
he actually like made it work, and then he figured that it's not going to work out, and then he started from the scratch, because like that's something that you have to do sometimes when you're programming. You can just feel that this code design is not working out, and like but the good thing is that it is working now.
Save mage some. So this is how it looks actually, where it is. There it is, inventory unit. So basically this, like this and everything has to be converted into this. And then back, yeah. So it's really it was really tricky. Like Neo, that's his name, then the type, then if he's demon or not, then the there it is how it actually name, class, type, and then comma, and then power, strength, agility, magic, health, stamina, movement. That's all of these things, and this, and then ID, and then shop cost, and then these melee attack, that's like special actions, and then glyphs with all of the like well, it's not it's not that funny what happened with this keyboard.
It keeps hitting that monitor leg and
Monitor stand, yeah, and then
loses its gravity.
Yeah. So basically, there is a lot of things that was done here, and these are the things that also have to be done in order to fully have this feature working. So basically, I'm gonna do this tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. I think that's the word.
Yeah.
And then from the beginning of the next week, we're gonna made. When this is working, we're gonna start working on all of the other things that will make demo ready in 4 weeks now.
Yeah.
So basically, it's pretty boring
To
to explain
everything,
what
yeah.
all happened here, but it was really really challenging. Yeah. So basically, that's it for this week. And
We actually have some art to show.
art, yeah, okay, you can show
Actually,
that.
one of them you didn't see neither, the updated version. So, first of all, we have bandits. So these are the guys that you're gonna be fighting in some quests. And artists started coloring them. We're gonna go with the like yellow one. So there is that, but here is the one that is almost finished. Actually, it is finished. What did they say?
We have not read our chat, like,
At all.
at all.
I was paying attention to a little bit to some stuff, but I guess I didn't see it all. People trying to load it. Okay, let me just find this. Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay, so here it is. This is the new arena. So this is going to be the forest arena. Of course, we still need trees around and so on, but we already have them animated and made, so we're just gonna position them and bushes and everything. But we think the artist had this idea. I just asked him, like, draw a forest. And then we figured, okay, but we also need some boundaries for the arena, because if Archer is retreating and there is nothing stopping her, why is she stopping at the edge, you know? And if she's not stopping at the edge, she's gonna go outside of the stage. So overall, this was artist's idea, and I'm happy with how it turned out. We can animate the stuff.
Grass should be.
Yeah, it will be animated. He only put it here
put it like
to show.
to show how how
but
it would
these
look,
things are also separate, so we can animate them a little bit maybe, but this is separate, his mouth, so we can actually make him like do something, say something, or cheer for you or against you. Okay, let me open the chat and put everything back. Alright, so what, where did we... I know in our... okay, so Zerel is asking about pronunciation of his name, which is tricky to do. Just in case strength, it's not... Just because you're saying strength, it's not... the spelling is tricky in English. The People's Champion, Vlados, he's the People's Champion now. What would you be called, though? The Immovable Force or something. You made great progress, thank you. It's moving, it should be.
Look at Uberlord. plot twist: the arena is boss, and two players have to unite. Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah. The art looks sexy as fuck. No transcoding today. No wonder the stream is lagging for me. Yeah, probably.
Again, that problem.
I guess that Twitch is. I don't know. I don't know why they're having. Yeah, they're not letting us do this. But we are streaming on lower bitrate, so it shouldn't be too bad. But if you guys have problems, we could lower it even more. So tell us if that's the case.
I got shaved myself, so that's another update.
Update?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys like the arena? Yeah, I think it's basically when you play, like when you look, you're going to be focused more on this part, but still it's nice, like as it zooms in or so that you can see it.
Another thing, we need to make that camera thing.
I don't think we're gonna have enough time to do that.
Yeah, if we
maybe,
enough
but
time,
maybe we're
yeah.
just gonna start updating it during the Kickstarter. Or the most
Yeah.
important thing is that it works. So that it
Yeah,
works,
yeah.
and maybe we can tweak it a little bit so that some problems where like there are characters outside of the camera, so that doesn't happen.
Yeah.
But other than that,
Like for shaving. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not turned on. We need more regular shading updates. In the end, the battle arena will win. All right, so we can open the game. Actually,
But we cannot play this version right now because it's
maybe we can.
because who knows what
Probably
will
not.
happen. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're gonna we're gonna go with the previous version. It would work, I think, but
So, but the overall idea is this: like you have 12 points, and then you're like, okay, I have mage, but they are going to attack my mage, so I need to keep her safe. So I have some, I don't know, shield glyph, and then you drag a shield glyph onto her. So you do this, and then her power rises to like 9 or 10, depending on how much.
depending
does this
on
cost.
how much power the glyph itself.
So it's not like you're grinding to be more powerful. Yes, you are, but still you're limited to these points. So you have to like figure out if these glyphs are going to help your team enough so that it pays for those points, right? And in this case, maybe, I don't know, I guess not. This is a weird team, but...
It's Medvedik, Pyromancer.
Medvedik, right? Yeah.
Medvedik.
Medvedik. There you go, Medvedik. Alright.
You know, it's a huge update when Daniel shaves, yeah? When it's something hard
so let's go
to
with
make.
one.
I'm like, I need to shave for this one. So yeah.
Oh, it is direction. Okay.
Is this this is the previous project?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, nice.
Alright, resetting likes.
What happened with this thing?
Why?
Why it's white? It should be like...
I don't know. 20 like and they show their share of drones. It's a deal. It's a deal.
It's a deal, yeah.
Alright, so alright, look at this.
Alright, yeah.
How are we doing? 13
Nice.
viewers. Okay, let's play one warm-up and then we'll probably already start if there is enough of us with the actual championship. So let's join. Okay, so I seen bot. Oh, okay, let's increase a little bit, like, I don't know, 7 points. Search for. I seen
7
bot with
likes.
something like this. Huh? Alright.
got a lot of people
Yeah. Nice.
in the game. Well, I think you can kick yourself
Yeah, I will.
and let others play the game. Kick yourself.
Okay, so GC4, you have one more point. Okay, and with it cleared.
By the way, is there like full version of the song that you used during the stream starts countdown? Well, I don't no.
Yeah, there is.
There is?
But it's not final because we wanted to try another version.
What happened with that?
I mean, sound designer got tired of us and he's not answering my messages. That happened. But I sent him an email 3 days ago, so he's probably going to answer soon. Alright, so okay, we'll add bots. And I think we can start with the warm-up. So let's go.
Why it's not starting? It is.
Took time. I know. Making enemies in artist community already, regardless of songs. Baller, love it. I'm not sure what's baller. What's that word? Nope. Person or device that makes or forms something into balls. Bowler, like, I know, yeah. Yeah, okay, I know what you mean.
This like size 500.
Yeah, well, we are very demanding with with everybody we work with. So, like for artists, we asked him. You see this orc character? We had like 10 versions of orc before we decided this is the style. But we have to try stuff, and then what is that?
Fly when
It's like a dot. That's new. So you see, people are having a lot of fun with this. I mean, they asked us if we fixed it, but I was like, no, play around with it. Just don't break it. Oh, by the way, I'll show you the games here that you guys can win this week. Here is the link. Yeah, Medvedek. That green dot looks a bit like a mole on my back. Should get it check out.
Yeah.
So yeah, for sound designer we first worked with somebody and we could not figure out the music, and we really we don't feel good about it. We asked a lot of him, he made 10 versions, and then we were like, sorry, but
a lot of things from everybody that we're working with,
yeah.
Actually, but
we really want to make something good.
We really want to make the good game, so
we kind of have to. And
it's
yeah,
not
and then
pleasant,
the new sound, yeah,
but
it's
we
always
have to do it. Yeah, it's always we know we are
pushing the limits a little bit.
Pushing the limits, but yeah.
What can we do? Yeah. So right now, we actually made a deal with the sound designer. We are working together, but maybe he got a little bit tired. I don't. What? How did you do that? Oh, it's a dot. Look, a health bar. But I don't know. I think this. This music is already pretty good. But we had another demo from him that had kind of even better. Actually, I'm going to play it right now, so you guys can tell me what you think. Let me mute the music here. Okay, so this is the one that we have on our starting screen, and this is the final version for now, but we want to try another one, so let me play first the final one. Like, not the final, but... that is music from intro or game menus. Yeah, it's for mine menu. Like for the first menu. I don't know if we have a picture here.
Lol, I love the awkward silence from you guys while the song plays.
Huh.
Look at this.
Title. No, where is it? I'm trying to find it. Never mind. But you've seen how that intro loading screen on the the counter screen looks like on Twitch. Well, that's the main menu when there will have like a start button and so on. So that's something like, and then we will have different music for the for the menus where like you have your inventory and so on, and also few different musics for the battle itself. But check this one out. So you remember this main like melody. Okay, so we are considering switching that one with the different version with this one.
You prefer the first
You prefer
one?
the first one, this one.
Like back.
Good job. Apex says I prefer the second one. Honestly, I think this should be end credits music, the best bit of all overall, and it feels like an evolution of the track, but overall I prefer the first one, Alright, so let's start with the real one. I'm turning this off and turning championship on. Alright, so we are counting. I mean, winners win games. So about the music, a little bit. So about the music, I don't know. Maybe we are like, I don't know. Maybe it's fine. The one, the one that we have that is almost final one. Maybe we shouldn't like push sound designer that much and like tell him like keep making it. So. I mean, even most of you guys liked that one better than the second one that I showed you. And yeah, for credits, I agree, this is great for credits and we might add that for credits, but it's not like there's going to be like a credits where you finish the game, because you never actually finish the game. You can keep playing these matches, you know, but when you click on credits in my menu, we'll just keep the same music, so yeah, it will work on credits as well. The credit song should be chicken singing. It should be us wrestling with the chicken, trying to catch the chicken in this room. Yeah, we should start something like that, like a trend, like say, alright, if we manage to get 1,000 likes, we go and steal the chicken and record it. And then people will be sharing, like, come on, let's get them these 1,000 likes. Yeah. And that means the 1,000 account needs to come here. And
yeah.
It would be good promotion. Probably it is not very, like, legal. Not probably. It is not. It is very... It's dangerous.
What do you mean legal?
I mean, we can get in a lot of
chicken
trouble to steal the chicken and record it.
Ah.
You know, it's we could get into a lot of trouble, but still everything for promotion.
Can buy it.
No, we have to record stealing it. You know, ideally the neighbor should like, what what are you doing? But he doesn't know English, so it's not going to be clear what he's saying. And he's really nice. He's probably going to be nice. It will look like we set it all up. Like, they paid the neighbor. And he's like, hey, what are you doing? Like, how are you? Hanging out.
Have you been shared? No?
Nope. Pretty good, 15 viewers.
Yeah.
If KFC can do it for marketing, so can you. KFC for 100. It's like they promised steal 2 chickens from neighbor and make them fight. Yeah, I think we did that. It's a classic soundtrack thing. Often there's like a simpler version of the main track which introduces you to the game. Simple, not overwhelming, but then things can cause the song to start playing more complicated versions. Either from the story happening or going from stealth to combat or whatever like that. Basically the game continues, and so the soundtrack gets more complicated. I get what you mean, yeah. But our gameplay is like segmented kind of, so I don't think we can have like a passive song and then you get into a fight and there it starts. I mean, we will have like a intro and then kind of wait, I should join actually. Alright, think we can start. Let's start. Yeah, we will have this kind of intro, like to something like just drums. Well, actually, we have it. I can already show you. Where is it? There it is. Right. Increase the volume a little bit, and where's the counter?
There is no counter.
There is no counter.
No, he's gonna kill them.
Slowly, but he'll get there.
He's gonna win.
Yeah. No hurry.
Really?
Okay, so let me play it again for the next one. Of course, we don't have the long version, so it... So Uber says wait.
If this is running 120 to 140 FPS on RTX 2070, how
How
would
it-
it perform on my cheesy card, I wonder.
It would be perform fine. I think we haven't been paying attention to like performance right now, but we have at the start, and we were testing the game. Well, it was pretty similar amount of code, and
Yeah.
maybe there are a bit more effects now or something. But we were testing it on a really slow computers, and it was working.
Yeah.
So
And the thing
we
is,
gotta get it working
this is in the Unity editor mode.
while recording. And
While recording, and this game would actually be like, if it's a real build, I would say like
as you can see, this is actually in
1000,
editor.
maybe something like that FPS.
1000, you think? Maybe if
Yeah.
we polish everything up. I mean,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't think right now it would go 1000. Maybe
I think.
3, 4. Right now, as it is.
Yeah.
Let's try it at the end. Let's
Okay,
just
let's
build
try
it and
it, yeah.
see.
But
Let's
the thing
bet.
is
I
that
think
we're
5.
streaming. We're streaming.
Well, yeah.
Plus, you have the monitor that is like really.
Yeah, it would open on the different monitor that has 1440p, meaning that it's like. So I can't be 100% sure here. So correct me if I'm wrong. The game has levels and arenas along which you progress. Well, if you remember yesterday, I think you were here. I don't know if you were here while I was showing the early demo that we had. But basically, you have your camp, and then you have like ranked battles popping up and quests popping up, and then you can choose what to do. And you have like 30 weeks or 40 weeks, something like that. And one battle is one. It takes you like 1 week, loses 1 week, and that's like your resource, and you need in these 30 weeks to reach from rank 0 to rank 100, and then you move to the next elite, like bronze, silver, you know, we'll probably think of something else, but and then you need to combine the quests and the like if you want to do the quest or if you want to do the rank, then what units do you want to buy, what items you want to buy, and so on. So that's going to. We can maybe, even now, I just got the idea, so I'm not sure about it, but maybe one thing to do would be to have quests cost more than 1 week, because you win a lot of gold or can win some item there or even some unit. So that's why maybe we can have it like, okay, this quest is like far away and it will cost you 3 weeks. So do you really want to do it? Or do you want, because you will lose 3 ranked matches that you might be able to win, you know, and rise through the ranks. So that's kind of the dynamic. And then when you win, when you go through these leagues and so on, you would be moving to the next region. And next region is like maybe Orcs, Wasteland, and or some Iceland or stuff like that. So that's the main idea. Well, this is less popular idea probably, but perhaps you want to change the main menu theme to the more complicated one once you reach a certain area in the game. You mean music? Like for example, that was done in Spec Ops The Line, where the further you got in the game, the more menu changed and the music changed when. Yeah, that's interesting idea, definitely, but I feel like it's maybe not worth the budget of asking a sound designer to do more tracks. I don't know. I mean, it's not a bad idea, but I'm just wondering like how much it would how much people would see it. And for a game like Spec Ops, they have unlimited budget, bro. Not unlimited, but huge budget. So it's. But it's a good idea. The music's really good. This has great, but
This is bad.
something is wrong with her knockout. I think
Yeah.
it takes like why we lowered the time to something like half a second, and it still
And
lasts
still,
forever. So Varlaiko must be pissed.
Sleep
This-
at night. Sleep mode on. Medvedev repeating history with bots since 1987. Yeah.
100%, we finally have use for 1K Hearts monitors. And forget what I said. What I said then with my suggestion. So no, it's a good suggestion. Yeah, it's I haven't been thinking of. Oh my god!
Again, we have bot in the final.
And like what? We have one bot, two bots.
One bot. He's gonna win.
We had one bot and he
We
won.
had one bot and
No
he
way,
won.
we had one bot.
Yeah, we had only
one
one
bot. No,
two
two
bots.
bots. Two bots. And this one won.
Great start. Really nice start.
I wasn't paying attention to his team, but was he using some good team? I actually learned.
Definitely.
Lol
He's
Mao,
using
by
some
the
good
way,
team.
you won. You won. I mean, you didn't, but you won. You won the game. Alright, so... Championship, where is my folder? All championships. Alright. It's week 22.
22 weeks we are having this championship.
That is... I don't know what that is, but... Alright, let's go with 14 units. That is... Just keep in mind that you can have 14 points, but only 10 units, because 10 units is max. We don't want too many units because it gets mess. Even with 10 units you don't know what the hell is going on, so... Science.
Let's see what rank is that bot too.
So rank bot to like this, right?
Yes.
Maybe
What?
I wrote wrong. Like, oh, maybe like this. Probably
Yeah.
with capital letter.
Rank 8 out of 21 player.
Alright, 4 wins. That's nice for bot.
That's nice.
I think I missed some messages. Let me scroll up a little bit. Would those arenas affect your units differently? Pyrovicker cries stronger in frozen arena. We're not sure about that exactly, but we want and still plan to add the weather system. So if there is like a rain and there would be some mud, everybody would be moving slower. Or if there is wind, all the projectiles are less precise and so on. We would have also some blood mist, that is some kind of thing in that fantasy world, and it would increase everybody's spell abilities, everybody's magic abilities, yeah. But this is also not bad, like what you said, like if it's frozen, like, but then we would have to consider temperature, and I don't know, it would only, I guess, affect these two, like frost and fire. I mean, that might be enough, but I don't know. We're probably not going to go with exactly that temperature thing, but there will be some stuff. Okay, so nah, not pissed. Yeah, you're a real sport.
Real sportsman.
Yeah. Did you just call me a bot? No. Didn't notice. We did. Our history, alright. Alright, rank Medvedev is rank 9. That is.
And the bot is 8.
It's
Bot is better than you, Medvedev.
Bot is rank 5. Ooh, bot is even better.
Bot is
But it
rank
would
5.
make sense because he plays the most.
Yeah.
It's the
Yeah.
first bot, so I guess that's. I mean, bot 8 has no chance now.
Yeah.
He doesn't play enough. The recent rank list is just the cover of the truth, to which truth is all bots are on top of the list. Alright, let me join 2, add 2 bots and start.
Wait, don't start the match. Uber said people will join now from mass messages.
Aha, oh, I did not notice. Of course, Skype is not... You noticed that we've been shared on I guess Facebook. Alright, we're gonna wait a little bit then.
Yeah,
Let me
there
kick
it is.
the bots. So, if anybody needs some help with joining, tell me. But it's pretty simple, just hashtag, letter of the character followed by level and enter, and this is it.
And enter and win the game
And win the game, and
get the game.
that's it. I'm too old for this.
So your bots have AI to learn from battles, yeah?
Yeah, it's machine learning. We
Yeah.
have 8 servers in the other room working
Yeah.
around the clock figuring out.
Facebook.
Let me see if we've been shared. I don't know, Uber, how you always notice that we've been shared. Oh, I think we haven't? Why did you think we have been shared somewhere? You said that...
Maybe on Steam group.
Oh, maybe, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wait a little longer, but
Oh, we're
I
gonna have a
think-
lot of bots.
Well, we don't have to. I mean...
On Steam, yeah.
Okay. Well, I didn't see much other people. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're gonna have them bots. Alright.
Did you join?
I did.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, I figured I could leave and maybe... But we're gonna have bots.
Okay, wait a little bit.
Yep.
We need to update that tutorial, how to play.
Yes. Yes.
We really need to update
We're like
that one, yeah.
wondering, like we don't have that much new people and our tutorial is outdated.
Yeah, it's like
It's you
outdated so
can
much,
use
but,
it still.
yeah.
It's still the same thing. But although this text kind of explains everything at this point, but I guess it's easier seeing the video. Okay, so alright, I'm gonna start adding bots. And let's wait a little longer. And if nothing, we can add 4 more and start. Yeah, our bots use a complicated randomization algorithm which will pick the best random option. Yeah, it's very complex. It's like mat.random choose, something like that.
Math F.
But sometimes they do, I mean it's completely random, but sometimes they do, and last time they figured pretty solid strategy. There you go. Soy is using it, Uberlord also.
Yeah.
Actually it's a bit different. Bot used even higher level archer, like maybe level 8, and lower level orcs. And I actually copied that strategy and won. So... Okay, now we have 12 bots. It's gonna be something. Yeah, let's start.
Okay. 12 bots. This is gonna be really interesting.
Yeah.
Why didn't it register my clear? Or I don't know. It should have.
Not sure. Maybe sometimes things don't pass through, but the chat, yeah, in your chat there is a clear. I'm not sure really.
And bot 2 is
Yeah. It's a good start.
Look at
Actually,
that.
it's maybe not a bad team. This is a terrible team, I think.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah. It's brutal to watch. Alright, Yotz's orcs. What? I
He
thought
missed.
you would win.
He missed.
Yeah. Well, that's the thing about Orc. He has that axe, but it's not
Yeah.
very reliable. It's like hit or miss.
Nice
Nice
aim.
aim.
Yeah. Nice aiming.
Okay, I think I
Potato
can actually
aim.
speed up these bot battles.
Potato aim.
Potato. Alright, so I was thinking bot 10 would win because they have more units, but actually no. Bot 5-1, which is good because I was kind of afraid that we are at this point where low number of units are not as good, but they seem to be alright. Yeah, and we had that one knight that almost won last time. And he's going to win again. Okay, good. Vladus is getting attacks. Well, you know, you're on the top. People are going to be harsh. You see how he ran through them all and got the archer. This was good. We actually had, we have the thing enabled where he focuses the ranged units.
I sorry, I didn't.
If you
I didn't follow
reload
what
the
you
page,
said.
Huh?
I was reading the chat. If I reload the page, am I eliminated? No.
No.
What were you saying?
Vorgs, they were, you see here again, they attacked the ranged units, so this
Yeah.
is good. We actually enabled that focus ranged unit thing on them. But they're not stupid. If there is like some orc there, they might attack him if they're like, you know, if the orc attacks them too. And so here I think he will attack this orc. No, he won't. Okay. Well, it's fine actually. It's better to attack the mage. She was pretty close, but still he was not fast enough. Zero, you can say it now, but before Pyro nerf, this build did a lot. Yeah, when Jigen comes back, he really did get eliminated.
Yeah. Because Zarion
Aha.
won against him.
Right.
No. Will some units have different type of color blood when you hit them? No.
Probably not.
No.
No, because it would be tricky. It wouldn't, but
But
I mean, we could do it, but not like we have aliens or anything, so
yeah.
it would kind of make sense that everybody had same blood color. Yeah, yeah.
You can speed this one up because
Oh, it's bots.
only bots.
Bot 8 lost. He's nothing.
Yeah. Oh, we have a lot of bots past the first
Yeah,
elimination.
it will be tricky. You're reading the chat and
Yeah.
yeah, so just okay. Thanks. Alright, Teddy. You never knew about this. No, it's... Let's not go into that.
Yeah, please. Because, come on. Medvedek.
I'm talking about X disappearing clip. I didn't see that. Let me see.
X disappearing. What?
It didn't disappear. You know what happened? It hit the collider, but we're gonna show it here.
Yeah, he
So
would
this
want,
is what
actually.
happened. So X. No, wait. Okay, so he missed, and it won't hit the mage. It will hit
would,
the
maybe,
collider.
maybe.
Oh, but it actually did hit
It
the.
actually did first hit the collider, and
That's
then
so
like.
weird. I don't know how.
First of all, these projectiles should not interact with this collider for units, but other collider for projectiles and everything.
Yeah,
We
bit
should make two
further
of them,
away.
yeah.
Yeah.
A bit like further away from.
Hello, how can I enjoy Elixus? Well, we are now in the middle of the match, but once we have the champion here, then we're gonna go back to the lobby, and there you can join. You just write in chat hashtag, then followed by like first letter of the character that you want. We have the screen here with all the characters. It's super easy. Like you can join in one line of text. So. I'm gonna explain as soon as the battle ends. But before that, feel free to ask anything.
You can watch tutorial actually.
Yeah, you have tutorial. It's a little outdated, but it's usable.
It's outdated.
You can still use completely
Yeah.
the same codes, and it just looks a bit different. The interface is updated in the game, but you should be able to join.
You should
easily.
link that tutorial.
I should.
There, Uber did.
Oh, thank you. Uber.
Updated tutorial. What?
Well, it's not completely updated, but it's similar. Like, it's same code, so it's no... But yeah, so basically what we are doing here is we are each making our own teams, and then we just let them fight, and if you lose, you're out. If you win, you're fighting, like, down the line, so... Like, Ender Gaming, he defeated Doomsguy, then defeated Bot 2, and now he's going to fight Yolana. And if you manage to win, like, against everybody, then you get to choose one of these games that we have here. Killed you, I demand some music. Well, good job. We don't have. We can only play the.
Gusek PT. You're from Portugal. Are you?
Do we have any control on our troops, or we just set our team and let them fight? Yeah, there is no control once you set the team. So you just choose what units you want, what level of units you want, and then you watch them fight. Actually, this game is going to be mostly about single player experience where you're also doing that, but you're also having items and trying to rise through the rank and doing quests and all kinds of stuff. So it's going to be like still just setting up team, but with more options and more stuff. But we will also have this Twitch mode, so you can play with your friends if you want. But this is more like a secondary thing, but like we are showing the game here, so we're playing this mode.
Portugal, yes. Nice, because I know a lot of people in the games like are having this like PT if they're from Portugal, so that's how I figured out. Especially in like FPS games.
So we are getting pretty close here to seeing who is the champion. He kicked her dead.
Are we gonna have bot winning again?
Probably not, because we have 3 people. But we'll see.
We have bot.
We have bot. Max level. Well, max level is always the level of points.
The number of points.
Number of points that we are allowing. So next one, let's go with 20 points.
So 20
Meaning,
is the maximum.
Yeah, but then you have only 1 unit, so. Actually, bot might win this one. No, he won't. He will.
He will?
He will, look at this.
I'm telling you. We're gonna have bot winning again.
This is surprisingly strong team. I wouldn't expect. Like...
Wait a second. We had bot win the preparation, the warm-up mode. And
we did.
Yeah, we had.
High guy won.
High guy?
Yeah, I think high
Oh
guy
yeah,
won.
high guy. Sorry, high guy. I'm not meaning your bot.
All
but
right.
yeah, we had the championship.
Varliako. Get that bot.
Previous one, bot 2, was the winner.
But it was funny because there were only 2 bots, so.
And I think bot is going to win now again. Yes.
That is horrible. Look at the damage.
Like
not even
yeah.
nothing.
Again we are having
right.
the bot.
But Varliako, because you are second here and
You got
bot
the game,
doesn't play games, you won.
Except this one.
Yeah, bot likes only our games.
Come on.
Alright, let's go with 20 units now. Sounds more like Vorlaiko. Vorlaiko, alright?
How about not play any games and wins?
No, you have to write it.
Humankind lose again. Yeah.
We failed. Alright, so for everybody who is new and wants to join, this is how you do it. You write hashtag and you write like, okay, I want Archer, so I write A, I want her to be level 8, and I could press enter and make a team, but I want more units, so I'm gonna separate with comma more units. I want Crymancer level 4, and I want Berserker level 4. No, how much points do I have? That is, yeah, I can have 2 Berserkers level 4.
Yeah.
Alright, 4. And when I press enter, there is my team. But I could have done it through multiple lines as well, so however you like to add them. But that's it. And they're going to fight. They're on their own.
I'm on stream.
Hey, mom! Dude, I saw you on the stream. You're famous. Yeah.
I'm gonna be right back.
Alright. My team is wrong, let me correct it please. Yeah, right, hashtag clear and like these guys did, and you can add a different team. So I think we are all here and we can start. Yep. Oh, okay, good. I will let you join like that. Alright, let's go. Alright, good start, Vlados. Hydration check. Drink your water, chat. So it you banned me previously time. What? I'm not. Ah, yeah, you think that you were banned because, like, automatically or something, but I guess you weren't, because when I was writing unban, it says you were not banned. When are we getting Entertainment Forge bat water? I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, because we are famous. Uberlord, you will be banned tomorrow for revealing my secret. Yeah, or berserkers are pretty good right now, but we probably need to increase like maybe ghouls a little bit. So next week we'll probably boost them a little bit, buff them. Who is bad right now? I think ghouls are not that useful at all. I think they are the worst right now. And then Cryomancer, maybe we could probably increase the number of seconds this is holding. Oof. She dodged that nicely, but he will get her. We don't have any bots now.
Really? Nice.
All people.
Teddy bear, it's always like that last letter of his entire name is always down.
Maybe we can fix that by like not allowing multiple lines. I think there is some option like that.
Yeah.
We need an update. Berserkers are just too powerful. Well, yeah, I guess we just need to buff a few other units. Like ghouls, maybe priest is not as good anymore.
Yeah, nobody is using priest.
She's not as good anymore. We nerfed her a lot. Vladus would like to see Pyro buffed. Oh, she's good already. She's not as good, but or nerf. I think she's kind of fine. That X
He
is
started
crazy.
to clearing.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah. And he stopped him like, wait,
Orc was like,
wait,
come here,
dog.
you little doggy.
Buff Pyro like the old build where she shoots at meteorite speed. Yeah, now the thing about Pyro is, I don't know who noticed that. I think actually Vlados, I think actually you noticed that. Yeah, I think it was you. That the problem with her is that when she's a really high level, she's way more powerful, but lower level, she's like nothing much. And then we figured, alright, that's because everybody gets like, I don't know, if they are level 10, they get 10 times damage. But she doesn't get only 10 times damage, she also gets her casting time much lower. So she can attack twice with the same 10 times higher damage, for instance. Because she has a long casting time, like 3 seconds, and then it goes down to half a second. While Orc, he has like a half a second, maybe even less, maybe. I don't know, their attack speed also increases, but not as much, not like 10 times. Maybe it's like 10% faster, 20% for normal units. So then we fixed that and made her not cast that quickly. And
What?
some clip. Oh yeah, when. Alright, I gotta play it later.
Ultimate chair power.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have these twists anymore.
Well, we
because
didn't
don't
have
any
what
idea.
to do anymore, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi back!
Nice one.
It's been a while since we seen you win the championship, I think. Or maybe I'm wrong. But good job. Alright, so this is the clip. So yeah, they were throwing chairs. But look at that, everybody dies like, da. Only he survived because no chair hit him.
Yeah.
Like he was lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to do this thing on Thursdays. We would have some kind of twist, and like one of them were that mages, instead of like having fireballs, they were throwing chairs and stuff like that. But at one point, we started having really bad ideas because we didn't know what else to do. And I think last one was knight wasn't looking like a knight, but he was looking like a chicken, and that's all. That's the whole twist. And I don't know. It seemed very forced, so we figured let's stop it for now and we'll see maybe in future. By the way, you guys can join. We are back in lobby and we still have 20 points. Max 20 again. Yeah, we're gonna stay at 20. IKEA edition, right?
Hey, you could.
Yes. Alright, I'll be right back.
Yeah. Let me join. Huh. Let's go with this team. Medvedek, you got one more point. Yeah, that twist. Look at this. Priests were overpowered. You have chair reveal. Creepiest freaking priests ever. Yeah. I miss old times. Fortnite, you have one more. Like for make chairs great again. Okay, we can add bot. Oh, not in the chat here. Okay, bot 2 had knight level 20. Let's see. I think we can start, yeah. Oh. There we go. Okay, let's start. Hashtag rage quit. Yeah, we can make that. Hey, thanks for following. We didn't get any followers like in the past 3 streams. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. If that knight kills the orc first, and yeah, he will, yeah, he's gonna win. But, oh, there we have a problem. Yeah, we have problem with knockdown. Hey, thank you for following. What? Look at this. He's gonna win. Really? No? Oh yes. He really won. This bot 2 is really... I have to mess with bot 2. Fun fact, you are closing in 666 followers, yeah? Bot 2 knows how to play. This is illegal. We had bot 2 winning.
Yeah.
And winning really strange.
How much people do we have playing?
16.
16.
With 2 bots, so 14. Yeah, high pack. Nice.
He lost. High pack lost.
Oh really?
Gigan won.
Bot 2 will win the game. I think so. Bot 2 is actually has knight level 20.
This was nice. So, Cryomancer froze Knight, and Orc had a range and was hitting him, and Knight couldn't approach Orc. The scene was like a Knight didn't have range to get to the Orc, and Orc had range to hit the Knight. So Cryomancer and Orc might not be a bad idea, because they have Orcs have a little bigger range than others.
Yeah. That was my team actually.
Yeah.
I won.
You did, yeah. I was using similar thing with 2 Orcs, but I guess this is not bad. I was always imagining that Orcs are just there to fight, and then maybe Archer and the Cryomancer, they will just, you know, combine, help each other. But seems like Cryomancer is helping Orc as well.
Yeah, bot 2. Knight level 20.
Good choice.
Yeah, really.
Hello guys, I'm always late. Hey Carlos. No worries. I think we're gonna play one more.
No, why me? No mercy at all, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go with one more after
just
this.
knight 20.
But Cryomancer and Orc could defeat... I mean, just Orc could defeat Knight level 20, but Knight level 20 is also good against others, while Orc is not. Like, Orc would die against Archer or Mage, while Knight can handle them. You might win, actually.
Pretty good team, actually. Yeah.
Alright, we figured out how to use Cryomancers. Finally. They seemed pretty useless.
So now copy my team.
Yeah, everybody copy.
I dare you. He's gonna lose. Nope. He's gonna kill them all. No. He has a lot of stamina.
He might kill them.
And yeah, he
kill
will.
them all.
Yeah.
Slowly, but...
I think I will be playing in a final with bot. This. Yeah.
And I think you will win. I think the Cryomancer will freeze him, and then Orc will slowly...
But
I'm actually going to...
if I
can
win...
yeah.
Ooh, I don't know.
I don't think so. No.
No, I'm not gonna win.
Alright. I was actually really curious if it could, but okay.
Nice.
I think Gigan will win, because Orc level 16 I think is even stronger than the Knight level 20.
But
we'll see. Let me slow it down. Yeah, he's done.
Yep.
Alright, good job.
Nice. Don't win. Don't, I love you. Pray, my brothers.
Alright,
GG,
so
man.
this is the last one for today. We still have 20 points. Yeah, it was a good team. Alright, I'll join too. Okay, so
Let me join this thing.
Okay. You know what I would try? I would try orcs and cryomancers. I mean, I was using the same tactic like that.
This.
This is the, yeah.
Exactly.
I mean, numbers are maybe up or down,
Yeah.
but to orcs, exactly these characters,
Yeah.
and actually seen this tactic from the bot. So the one that you used is just that you had one orc higher level. But you know what would be interesting to try? Only cryomancers and orcs, to see if they actually complement each other enough to be really good. Yeah, maybe like that.
Let's go with this.
Or what do you think if
No.
maybe there is like more than one? I can't remember how more effective he is when he's higher level.
You guys already have a release date on Steam?
No. We have
No, we don't have.
deadline for demo. We want to have demo in 4 weeks from now. So that is our release
So,
date.
what did they win? Well, you win one of these 5 games, and
Yeah.
it's up to you to choose.
So after the stream, I will send all your winning screenshots of the winners to publisher, and he will then contact you. But I think he's not around right now. He didn't see my Skype message, so I'm not sure when exactly he will contact you. But probably today or tomorrow, unless he's very busy. But don't worry about it. You will get the game. Sometimes he's quick and sometimes he's busy, so he can't do it right away. But
Let's add 2 bots and
yeah.
start.
Are we in? We are in.
We're in.
Where is your team? Ah, there it is.
How can we contact me? Twitch? Yes. Twitch.
Yeah, Twitch.
No, don't keep bots too.
I'm gonna keep the bot too. He actually has some. I don't know if it's a
Yeah.
good team or not, but
We'll see.
let's see. Okay, yeah, Uber gave you the link where you can see the games a bit better. I guess the text is not that readable. The Revenge from Bot 2. Aha! Look at this. Zuriel is using similar tactic, but with a bunch of cryomancer, but it's not doing so good. Yeah. Oh,
But-
look at this! Look at this! This is great.
Yeah, this is really nice.
Look at
Why
him
is he
walking,
walking
place.
in the
I
place?
don't know. It was,
Nice.
but they killed level 16 orc,
Yeah.
and they took only 6 points.
You guys support bots as far as you turn on them in the finals. Yeah. And he has a head of
Yeah, of mage.
pyromancer.
Fireman's right. we didn't even get the head from the artist
Yeah.
of the
Well,
cryomancer, right? But and the infinite stun
yeah.
thing.
Maybe that's some bag problem.
That wait, actually,
Let's see. Let's see.
see.
What is wrong?
what the hell?
Go berserker.
Wait,
And he should
him.
have. Yes.
This is
that's
him.
He should
Let's
have.
see. Well, it's
Duration,
not, but
it's
it's
1.5
like 3
seconds.
seconds. And I remember that we tried to lower it and to set it like to half a second.
And something is not good.
So maybe then we used a different project or something. I don't know, but we need to check that out. So.
And
but he still
got
won.
revenge.
He still won.
Yeah.
And because this is our team, it will look like we hacked something, like we stopped
Yeah.
and then we did something in the code and now we won.
And
And we screwed
Medvedev.
And of course you hacks me again.
Yeah, Medvedev, sorry man, we had to.
We had to hacks you somehow, you know.
What a coincidence. It's like, come on, let's get these likes. How much dislikes can we get now?
Yeah, for hacking
Yeah,
Medvedev.
from hacking Medvedev.
Justice to Medvedev.
Whoever support us, give us a like, and who doesn't support us, give us a dislike. No, who support Medvedev, give a dislike. Oh, there we go. Nice. But we're still better than Medvedev.
Yeah. Justice. Alright, let's see if bot 2 knows what he's doing. But this is high guy. I think bot 2 will win. Yeah, he will. You see, this is not bad actually. He has best of the both worlds. He has high level knight and high level orc. So, and a little bit of a range power.
Hands up where we can see it, no background coding.
Aha, so Uber is using a similar but a different tactic. You see, he has
Uber. You're gonna play against bot 2.
high level orc instead of high level archer, but seems to be working even better maybe because orcs are a bit OP in the current meta.
No, why me? Well, somebody has to. It's now your turn.
Yeah. I love the orc animation, the punching and the kicking looks so good. Yeah, we're happy with how it turned out. We actually didn't even consider working with this animator, but then we were looking around and we found somebody who was really good, and he tried animating, but the thing was that he was not animating or drawing in a long time and he kind of lost the skill, so we couldn't go with him, and then we figured let's try this guy, and he blew us away because we didn't even know he can animate as good.
We meet again. Entertainment Forge. And you won, yeah. Now?
Actually,
Uber.
this team, Uber
Nice.
might discover the really good team here. Because I think orcs are even better than archers right now, and they are also complementing each other with the...
Yeah.
With the Cryomancer is helping them out. Because he's keeping enemies at the distance where they can keep swinging with the axe. Swimming with the axe. And his axe is like 2 or 3 times stronger than his fist attack. Is this like last week's? I'm very unlucky.
Didn't win the game.
Yeah.
Like 3 months.
It's tricky.
Yeah.
Yeah, try stopping by if you are free on a Friday, because on Friday we have the build that we are always using on Saturday. So people often on Friday figure out like what is the like current state of units, how buffed everybody is, and so on. So you have some advantage that way.
And we're gonna have the
Alright.
Gigan 2.
Alright.
winning again.
I think this
As
is
the
another
previous one,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So nice.
Good job.
You're gonna get 2 games now.
Let me just check. Yeah, 2 times in a row. Good
Yeah.
job. Awesome. Alright. So I'm going to send these games to publisher. I mean these screenshots. So that he can contact you guys. And let's update Discord.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cleared bot 2 for you. I gotcha, bro.
Okay. Where is the Discord? There it is. Rank. Alright, so here is our Discord. If any of you guys are not here, feel free to join. I'll link. Actually, there is a link in description, but I'm gonna link it to. This air conditioner is starting to smell.
Yeah.
It's really bad. Okay, so here is the Discord in the description, but here it is also. Here's the link. This mage knockdown is annoying even if they're low. Yeah, we need to check that out. So mages are still kind of OP because of that. Alright. So this is the current status, and here is the updated one. So I think Hypack is still. Yeah. Somebody's playing. Yeah.
Somebody's playing.
Alright. So yeah, we are keeping this. We're gonna keep this till the end of the month, and then we're gonna put it somewhere on the website. So for each month, like who was the winning person of that month. So yeah. Alright. So that would be it for today. Yeah. So we played a few games, shown you the updates, and we're gonna give our best to have that demo ready and to show it to some of you.
Yeah.
So yeah, the publisher will contact you. I'm not sure exactly when, because as I said, sometimes he tend to be busy and it takes a bit longer. But we'll see. Maybe today or. But
I'm
don't
not
worry.
there, but can I still get my games? Yeah. You can
Yeah, of
get
course. Publisher will contact you on the
Twitch.
Yeah. No worry. Thanks for letting me take a rest from writing my review script. Yeah, glad to help. You're still doing the one with heroes, right?
Thanks for
Stream
and
and hacks me.
Was fun.
Yeah, we always
Yeah, no problem,
like
man.
a good hacks, you know.
We can hack you every time.
Yeah, just say it and we're gonna do it. As long as we get to win. Alright guys, so thank you for hanging out, and we'll see you on Tuesday. We keep streaming from Tuesday to Saturday, and yeah, alright. Yeah, Heroes Reborn, yeah. This garbage show, I wasted 30 hours. Yeah, I tried watching it, but it was pretty bad. Alright guys, so see ya on Tuesday. Bye.
See ya guys.